Hello, welcome back. My life is Mathalan channel. Today we will discuss about subtangent, subnormal definitions. A curve f of x. Draw a tangent on a point p x1 y1. The distance from point of contact to intersecting point of a x-axis and a tangent is called as a length of tangent. A line perpendicular to the tangent through a point of contact is called as a normal. The distance from point of contact to the intersecting point of a normal and x-axis is called as a length of normal. The distance between the point of contact of a normal and x-axis, foot of the perpendicular of a point of contact on x-axis is called as a subnormal, and towards tangent that is called as a subtangent. Here I represent as a SN, ST. ST means subtangent and SN means subnormal. The point of the curve Px1 y1 and slope of the tangent m dy by dx. Now the length of a subtangent ST is equal to y1 by m. The length of subnormal Sn is equal to y1 into m. Let's do some important concepts. The constant subnormal for the parabola. Let's do the problem. Curve y square is equal to 4ax. It is a parabola equation. Differentiate both sides for getting slope. 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. There is equal to m is equal to 2a by y. We know that the subnormal formula Sn is equal to mod of y into m. So y already it is the y only, and m is equal to 2a by y. You can submit the y and m. Sn is equal to y as y, and m is equal to 2a by y. There is equal to y will be cancelled 2a. Here 2a means it is a constant term. So the subnormal is always constant 2a. The constant subtangent for exponential function. Here exponential function curve y is equal to b into e power x by a. Differentiate both sides. Dy by dx is equal to b e power x by a. So x by a differentiation 1 by a. So b by a e power x by a. There is equal to y by a. Because here y is equal to b into e power x by a, we can replace the b into e power x a as y. Now the subtangent to st is equal to y by m. Here m is equal to y by a, so st is equal to y by a. There is equal to a. Subtangent is always constant a. Once revise the all concept. The length of tangent to pt is equal to y into square root of 1 plus 1 by m square, which means 1 plus m square by m. Already you know result. Length of normal pn is equal to y into square root of 1 plus m square. And important result st into sn is equal to y1 square. Angle between the two curves. The angle between the two curves means the tangents formed by point of intersection of a two curves. The tangents making angle is a angle between the two curves. It is theta, where theta is equal tan inverse of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Let's here m1 means dy by dx of first curve. Means dy by dx means slope. And m2 is equal to dy by dx of second curve. If two curves are orthogonally touch each other means the m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So theta is equal to 90 degrees. Now special property, JE problem, angle of intersection. If two curves y is equal to f of x and y is equal to g of x intersect at x1 y1. Tan theta is equal to formula the angle between two curves is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. The curves are orthogonally intersect each other, means it will make a 90 degrees. Next, property 2. The relation between the lengths. LT means length of tangent. Y1 be the distance from the point of contact to x-axis, and ST be the subtangent. LN be the length of normal. SN means subnormal. So the relation LT square is equal to Y1 square plus ST square. LN square is equal to Y1 square plus SN square. And ST into SN, subtangent into subnormal, is equal to Y1 square. These all are some important relations. Let's do the JE problem. Find the subnormal, the curve xy is equal to c square at x1 y1. Differentiate both sides. After differentiation, x into dy by dx plus y into x differentiation 1, there is equal to 0. So the slope m is equal to y1 by x1 because m means dy by dx. Now Sn is equal to formula modulus of y1 into m. So y1 into y1 by minus y1 by x1, there is equal to y1 square by x1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel to support us.